In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Far Cry 5 to enhance gameplay. Check my video description for this mod installer. Scroll down, select this download for Windows contains only mod installer without any mods. Select this link and download this mod and then scroll down and download this download resistance mod contains only resistant mod. Select the link and download. Once you downloaded these two, right click on the mod installer and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the mod installer folder. Right click on the FC5 mod installer. Icon is Far Cry 5. Right click and select run as administrator and select yes option. Make sure you run as administrator and select English option. Select your language and select continue. Game dir was not found. Select OK and navigate to the game folder. Go to bin, select the exe file and select open option. And now we have successfully installed the mod installer. Go to downloads, right click on the FC5 resistance and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. FC resistance.bin drag and drop inside this mod installer. You need to extract this. Now drag and drop this bin inside this mod installer. Just close and open this mod installer. Back to downloads, open the resistance, drag and drop this resistance bin inside this mod installer. Now it's working. Select the yes option. Mod pack resistance mod added successful. Okay. And these all are mods. Lots of mods available. To show you guys, I gonna install few mods. To install mods, you just need to just select the option. This gonna install the third person view. I'm gonna install. Once you installed, you can able to see tick option. Same way, gonna install some other mods. The weapon wheel texture. It's gonna remove the character in loading screen. Whatever mod you just install, just click on the mod to install, guys. So for this tutorial, I just installed three of them. Select the install option to install the mods. Package installed successfully. Click on OK. In future, in case you want to uninstall, select the uninstall mods option. You can easily uninstall. Now to run the game, select the run game option. Low, just click on OK, close stuff here and go back to the downloads. Open FC installer. Right click on Far Cry installer and select run as administrator. Select yes option. Once you run the administrator, run the game option. Now you can able to run. And as you can see, the loading screen character removed. The first mod is working. And the second mod, as you can see, it shows third person view camera. And the mods are working. This way you can install whatever mods you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.